I would like to request you to please share your words with the amazing beauties and on this amazing location at Pochampally.
Good evening all. Firstly, I welcome all the most beautiful ladies who have come across from different countries and different cultures. It is so nice you have come here all the way and participating in this beautiful event. And also would like to thank our Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Revanth Reddy Garu, for bringing this most beautiful event, Miss World Contest to Telangana. This is a once in a lifetime event. This never comes again and again. Once in a lifetime event has come to Telangana, and this is because the Miss World organization has decided on Telangana, and our Chief Minister has accepted that and hosted this beautiful event. So it is so I need it. I feel I have to thank Chief Minister Revanth Reddy Garu for bringing such a beautiful event and all the most beautiful events here. And you have come to Pochampally, the historical city of weavers, and which is famous for ikat sarees and the sarees which are as beautiful as you are. So such beautiful sarees. Really, it is so surprising. This particular town, Pochampally, is famous for ikat sarees, and they have been manufactured. They have been weaving these sarees for centuries. And these weavers, they have taken it as their livelihood, not just as their livelihood. They have maintained the tradition. Whether their livelihood is good or bad, they could. It was all the means for the life and all that. But whatever the troubles they had, they could continue. It is not only they maintain the tradition, they also have maintained this craftsmanship. This particular craftsmanship of making ikat sarees is unique to Pochampally in this Yadadri Borivali area, like not only Pochampally, Puttaparthi and other areas also. So this is such a wonderful craft, and they have maintained all along. They have taken it as their livelihood and they have brought it to the now Pochampally ikat sarees. They are also world famous. So nice. And really, I thank you all. And also, not only that, to say a few words about ikat saree. See, there are three Padma Shri awards here. One Gajam Govardhan, Gajam Anjanya, and also one Chindaki Manish, who won national award. The Padma Shri, the most coveted national award for reading these Pochampally ikat sarees and Teja Rumar and all. So that means they are so famous. Which is so unique to this particular area. So it's been really nice, and imagine what the Padma Shri awards means. What sort of art is this? What sort of craft is this? So it is no surprise UNESCO has decided as this Pochampally village as the craft village. UNESCO village, which is been declared by United Nations Organization as the UNESCO village. So it is very wonderful you have come to such a historical place. Thank you all. Thank you, Chief Minister. Thank you, Revanth Reddy Garu, and also thanks to the Miss World organization, and thanks to all the young ladies who have come here. Thanks everyone, my friends, all the officials, Collector Garu, DCP Garu, and CP Garu, and all the friends here, and all the officials here. Thank you once again, including the press people also. I thank everyone. Thank you.
Thank you.